Thunderstorm Productions. Barbarus Germanicus, Toni. The stratego stands ready, the master of grammar and perfection, the leader of the Roman forces. Greetings, men of the Roman forces. The Roman Empire consisted of the families of the Bruti and the Julii. The Julii conquered Gaul. Then the Persian Empire advanced from the east. The Battle of Marathon was fought, from which the Athenian forces emerged victorious. Although they were far fewer in number, they were nevertheless able to defeat an army that was numerically superior. A few years later, the Persians again formed a plan to descend upon the shores of Greece. This time they attacked the city of Sparta, which withstood the enemy with only 300 warriors. History tells the tale, no shadow is cast aside. Battles were waged, no quarter was given. Sung in the Roman style, composed in the Roman style. I am the emperor in the MB, whether you like it or not. Every word a wasp sting, creepy Christmas moon rock style. Hip-hop star and trap music, creepy Christmas moon rock style. History tells the tale, no shadow is cast aside. Battles were waged, no quarter is given. Sung in the Roman style, composed in the Roman style. I am the emperor in the MV, whether you like it or not. Every word a wasp sting, creepy Christmas moon rock style. Hip-hop star and trap music, creepy Christmas moon rock style. And so 300 warriors took their stand at Thermopylae, a narrow pass in Greece, repelling the vast barbarian forces from above. Like iron, those ancient hoplites stood motionless. They held their ground in close formation, taking advantage of the strategic location of Thermopylae, yielding ground only gradually, yet victorious in every clash. Advancing step by step, they kept the enemy at bay and struck them down from behind the iron wall of their shields. The Spartan legion was indeed defeated in an ambush, yet the only city in Greece that burned was Athens. Then, one day, Alexander the Great of Macedon arrived. Alexander conquered the Persian Empire of that time and razed or plundered its capitals. Back then, it was customary to attribute victories in battle to one's patron deities, such as Poseidon and Athena. History tells the tale, no shadow is cast aside. Battles were waged, no quarter was given.